Hi there, my name's Michelle, and today we're going to be talking about ChatGPT. By now you've probably heard of it, but you might not be sure as to what it does, as was I a short time ago. It sounded interesting, but it also sounded very intimidating. So here we are going to get into a beginner's guide, more of an overview of ChatGPT, so you can get an idea of what it can do, how it can help you, how it can make your life a little bit easier. So with that said, let's get started. We're going to be exploring the basics of using ChatGPT, which is a state-of-the-art language model that can generate human-like responses to text inputs. We'll start by understanding what ChatGPT is and what it can do. We'll then move on to setting up an account on a platform that provides access to ChatGPT and familiarizing ourselves with the interface.